Hey, it's Dr. Amanda with Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com. Let's talk a little bit about some mistakes doctors are making when, oopsies, by accident, their cases get really off track. Now, why does this happen? This happens because you guys are giving out way too many aligners at a time. I know they say in the courses that you can give the whole box. Yeah, don't do that. So the most you're going to give them is 2 or 3 at first. The most. The most. I don't care if you put them on virtual monitoring or not. The most. They get 2 or 3. They come in. If they are 100% tracking, and watch all the content I have on tracking, I probably have dozens of videos going over everything about tracking. Go into my YouTube channel, put in the keyword tracking, watch all the videos. Okay, this is going to be a little bit more of an advanced video. So, of course, you're only giving a few. And if they're 100% on track, then you can give them a few more. So you gave them 2 to 3, now you're going to give them 4 to 5. They come in. Now you can start if they're 100% on track. And a lot of you guys think something's 100% on track and it's not. So please run this by somebody. If they are 2 times score, A+, then we can put them on virtual monitoring, or then we can see about seeing them every 6 to 8 weeks and maybe elongating the visits in between. They must keep all their aligners in between visits and bring them to the appointments. This is important. This is part of the process. So your patient should never get 20, 30, 40 aligners off, because you shouldn't be giving them that many aligners. Somebody's making a mistake if that's happening. Like the doctor actually needs to check, because what can happen is you can actually make the bite so much worse. You can take a light case or a moderate case or a case that was a slam dunk, easy, comprehensive 6 to 8 month case, and you can turn this into a 3-year case that is going to need way more lab fees if you F this up and give them too many aligners and they just wonks out their bite or does something really weird, let alone devitalizes a tooth. It can do so much worse and just wonk up their bite. So sometimes it's best. So I tell people when this happens, I don't know how this happened, but it did. Okay, let's cross our fingers. Everything just goes back to the way it was. It wasn't that bad to begin with. We're just going to let everything relapse. Don't try to fix it in the weird position. Just let it relapse. It may not 100% relapse. It might relapse 60, 70, 80%. Great, it's enough. At least we have a stable bite. Do nothing. That's why I tell you guys, do nothing for a couple months and then do it again. And yeah, your expiration date might expire. This is really up to you and how you set up your contract for your case. If you gave them too many aligners and they went that far off track, honestly, you, the doctor, made the mistake. It's not your office, not your office manager, it's you, the doctor. You are responsible for this and training your office and coming up with the policies and procedures as to how many aligners should be doing it. The only time you're going to give them that many is if you have them on virtual monitoring, and I still wouldn't give them that many. They have to earn your trust. So it comes in time, because ultimately if something goes wrong, you're the one that's liable. It doesn't matter. All right, thanks.